welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Voice of the People's Party denies accusations, calls for civility ahead of elections. Regional Democratic Alliance unveils manifesto Lok Sabha today. Preston Tensong responds to accusation police recruitment age limit. And Hinyautrap National Youth Movement uncovers unsanitary water storage in Nong Klau, Nong Luai, West Khasi Hills district. And now the news in detail. On April 9th, Dr. Batskem Marbo, spokesperson for the Voice of the People's Party, VPP, vehemently refuted accusations levelled by Panyat Singh's aim of the National People's Party, NPP. The NPP alleged that VPP members disrupted a public meeting held by Dr. Ampreen Lyngdoh on April 8th in Umsning. Marbo challenged the NPP to substantiate their claims and prove that the individuals chanting Ha Upra were indeed affiliated with VPP. Emphasizing the party's stance on civility, Marbo urged VPP members to refrain from engaging in disruptive behavior and instead exhibit decorum. Furthermore, Marbo reminded the public of the significance of exercising their democratic right through voting on April 19th. The VPP underscores its commitment to peaceful participation in the electoral process while rejecting baseless accusations aimed at tarnishing its reputation. On April 9th, the Regional Democratic Alliance RDA unveiled its manifesto rallying support for its MP Lok Sabha candidate Robert June Kharjaran. The manifesto highlights key priorities including safeguarding the state from external influences, creating job opportunities for youth, uplifting farmers and advocating for the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the Indian Constitution's 8th schedule. Medba Lyngdoh, RDA President, passionately appealed to the public to endorse Kharjaran for the upcoming election, emphasizing his potential to drive positive change and welfare for the state. The manifesto underscores the party's commitment to addressing crucial issues facing the region.
First long parliamentary seat, ba ki point ki bangina bu hamne ka long bune bengkong kejingpun ko board susu ke district council kabar pada kejingpun ko board ke samla kabalai pada ka yo kam yo jam pasau pada ka pule puti pada ka jingken tieu ya ki nongrap bat karap karyang jongki nang ta ka jing alo ka jing ru ka thak mandari ka jing ka tieu ya tin khasi bat garo ha ka khnget ka bapra nang ta ki kam ka de halo pot usam nang ta ka wei pat ka bade ka jing ka shong suk shong san sa ka wei bade ka de ka jing ka tieu ya ki diulum trairi nang ta ka jing ya ki kinhon jing da ya ki kinhon nyam repat karoi kiu jong kinyam kumlai alor ki riuslur yele la lot kari nang ta ka jing persha alor ka thombor ya ki repat oi gre ki kam kor barri nang ta oi gre ka long alor ki civil service oi gre ka long ka sinshar khadar ka khot Kawai pada ke India kum ka welfare state kawai pada ka hok jo pinong song stong di badan jinduna akit khotmet ka kawai pada ka kot ka khia kawai pada ka hok alor ka khando ka siap ba ki mar ko ndo kawai pada ka jingeda mariang kawai pada ka jing ka tiu ya ki kinthai nang ta kawai pada ka juban na ka dem kunto ye kene ka long ka jing ka pat ke jumi ke minggu sekolah ba ke balas sain da Nakaliang juga kum Presiden Joko IDP, bat kum Chairman Joko RDA, dekat bat KP Pangyang, General Secretary Joko RDA, bade Presiden Joko HSPP, pada kaju kopor nakaliang Joko kandidat, Robert Jun Khajarin, kandidat Joko RDA, nakas first Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Kini kilong ki mat ki bangila bu ni, bat ki details paro, insayo ni, akabade bat ki tu ki point ki ba ngi labu kimat jong ki kam ki bangin sim adin ba UMP jongi candidate jongi ropoi sakathong hagane election manta.
Following accusations by Adelbert Nongrum regarding the government's announcement on February 3rd to recruit 3,000 youths into the police force, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong addressed the issue. Nongrum alleged discrepancy process, citing the government's extension of the age limit for job seekers from 32 to 37 years, while the age limit for police recruitment remained unchanged. Tensong defended the decision, stating that after thorough deliberation among cabinet ministers and drawing insights from practices in other states, the age limit extension was not applied to certain departments such as excise and forest and environment. This decision was made to ensure candidates' physical fitness for roles demanding strenuous activities. Encouraging youth vigilance, Tensong emphasized the importance of staying informed about job advertisements. The response aims to clarify the government's stance on the matter and address concerns regarding recruitment policies.
Weneki Emily Noyalam Joka PPP iba Adelbert Nongrum. Uai ka statement na po ka kubor ka ong ba katu ka advertisement ka nakaliang jong ka police department ka bangi ong ka central recruitment board jong ka police uong kalong illegal kalong illegal namar baklem board katkum kendon jongka office memorandum ngakwa bat persyai hang ba kata ka statement ka ba iai iba Adelbert kadai ka ba iklem pule ba ya ki kentin len ki contents jong kanika office memorandum kabangi penmi nakaliang ka sarkar ha ka laiterik February hajar kuar kaba lakren syai baya kerta jong tinong apply kam hapo ki kenat rekam joka sarkar jela jongi Lara yaka syaka 32 plus 5 kabumut syaka 37 mo 32 plus 5 yang iki siltai to tenrai iklan pule pede ya ke profesor ke second para ka ong light no ki katu kan itli ke department ka tentu nganda pule yang de ya ka home police ya ka excise registration taxation and stamps ya ki home guard and civil defense but kumjuru ka forest and environment balai ba ngi haka sarkar ka kabinet ni rai ka ni kalong ba hakin ki department ki don ki jat post ki bangi hap ban bishar ya ka physical fitness kamud habaki kerennya ka physical fitness jong ulaneka kiba apply kamud kerta kadiban long ka bakam kena nambar menta kipus kiba phi habban lek mare nangta ne pas ya ka interview po bathum ya ka kam phiap dan lek training bat ka training na ka ba kade ka training long hard training ka bagi haban par ke haban jom ke haban nangta saban praktis kesiat suloi kan ni katai phi nangka daw ka pelong bangi na kaliang jong ka sarkar hata bakadu ngilarai kumni hakot ngakren suat tik tang dam ta ka wedei baka jong ka polis hak wedei bat ka polis ka ba ngi amet ya kane ka manual ka bangi ong jong ka Central Recruitment Board jong ka polis ka kabinet ka approve ban amen yaki Yakarta wat la ngiladep kentiu Yakarta ban apply kam rei hak wedei bat ki polis ngi sim kumni ka benengkok hak wedei bat ki SI sejrong ngi sim bakarta joki kalong arpau hadu arpenyo tang ba plus sansdem ke relaxation arpau hadu arpenyo yaki SI tang ba ngi plus sansdem yaka relaxation jongka sidul trai to ka baar hakabedei bat kiniki ki bat sak baar bat kiniki constable ki bani ong ki on arm branch ki arm branch ki battalion constable kiniki fireman ki driver fireman nangta kiniki MPRO.
On April 9th, members of the Nyotrap National Youth Movement conducted an inspection at the drinking water storage facility operated by the Public Health Engineering PHE department in Nong Klau, Nong Luai, West Khasi Hills district. The inspection was prompted by complaints from villagers regarding the quality of water supplied to their communities. During the investigation, leaders of the organization were dismayed to discover the deplorable conditions of the water storage facility. The area was found to be extremely dirty and unsanitary, raising serious concerns about the safety of the water distributed to 6 different villages, including Nong Luai, Nong Klau, Pingba, Mau Kayang, and others. This revelation poses a significant health risk to the residents who rely on this water for daily consumption.
Khar.
Ni wan juri pakane ka water supply budan hang ni mo bayang te ngilalap sibun kijing jaklia ba kijing jabok jongane ka jaga te ngi ba ki don ru ki plastik ka filter ki bitter kiat kijing khang kim don tu ka ban supply ko umro kijing khang kam don ngilalap hang ni ba gani ka jaga ulang ketem aurea mar bangilo i ba kita kisin bagi don hang ni yo lang kibla penpa syai buka lang kum ka ketem aurea te ngila kerpat jaga PHE de gerban penbiang ya kini ki jika up jika batia skidaro gerban penbiang kini ki jinghayet ki jingkhang ya kerparu ba gerban penbiang arta diu skidar ban up hang ne te kalau de hok ba skidar kam don te diberiu kan lailan kan ki jaka ban kin wan le kini kam sniung ne te nga subu jingkli ga wai na ga PHE mensua gila don tu ki skidar ba up hang ne te mentapat kim don syu de ladangi lap ya ki traisnong ne kinong wei bon le kam aurea hang ne tingila ban le da kanu ka kam ba pensitom yaki nang ni sekemat da ngilap
Ke beningkong tolong kagiat hang turu kamlong. Nangta kani kotar hang ni kamlong. Nangta katai filter hang teiru dap tang de jaklia ke ba i mlong singan mandi. Mar kani ka water supply nang ni kalau kadai ka ba supply yaki nriu teli kisnong. Ngalak banjar ba kanong luai tu kanong klau nong genjang kunta kamo kayang langdan kebu ini hapdeng ke jingma ladang idi yakni ke borok seketa ngim tip ba kalong kumni mrai hadin bang ilayo yak jing ujor katukar ni abang ilawan hang ni ngilapen ban ba kani kalong ke basusi yangi hang to filter ro la sudan tang tu kipat gibala pat gibala ajot don gi plastik ki don gi klong gi hang tu gi jeri gi jabok jaban hang tu kabamut ba boros kata ngila suya ya di be jagani ga te pet kum ketai ga tangki hang teru hang jingsha la dai ban don ga jing tap ndai la subu hang tu yo la ong ba kat kum ga jing ujor ga long ba yu i ba ki khna ki bawan yak wan yang hang ni ki long kum la chupun long kum ka jaka jwa kai ki kiu sejrong ki kiu satu sejrong gile ai mo hang jing long khna ki la ban kiu hang tu gi bret gi kata mut ba kalong ai ga ba jabok jaban ga penjaban ga bat habang idi mut ba ba ab jingma ya kot ga khia bu jingkli sarkar kini kekuatan hani ga don mrai sekitar don sei ja tu sekitar yo i ba kalong penban ka cika jo kai tungki khna isamla nanta kumbalaong ba galah kala long penban ga ketem auria.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.